Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xero, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.xero.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the Xero homepage to load completely. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see two options, Xero and Xero for advisors. If you are a standard user, click on the next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password into the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you've entered your password, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Xero dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password. Click Login once again. You are now successfully logged into Xero. Explore the various features available on your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.